Sasa, hello. How's my baby? What are you doing? Huh? Playing with your toys? Sasa, where's Tigger? Where's Tigger? Huh? Look for Tigger. Come on, baby. Ay, tatapon na naman niya. Tapon niya. Kukunin ko na naman. Here, baby. Tapon niya ulit. Toink. Here, baby. Here. Tatapon niya ulit. Toink. Here, baby. Ito pa ulit. Ayoko na nga. Oh, dun na. Ayun na. Oh, where's Tigger? There is Tigger, baby, oh. Tigger. Oh, get Tigger. There, oh, Tigger. Minnie. Sasa, do this, oh, baby, oh. Singhot-singhot na, anak. Dali na. Don't throw that, baby, ah. No, baby. Kung na si Tigger, tsaka si Minnie. Sasa, show mommy where's Tigger. Sasa, where's Tigger? Tigger. That's Tigger and Minnie. Oh, you want to play with them? Yay! Bait-bait ng anak ko na yan. Ganyan lang yan eh. Oh, kung matatapon yan, baby. No. Shh. Sasa, look at the video. Look at the cellphone, no? Ay, naku, tinapon na naman yan. Ayun. Kunin natin. Tapos, ibibigay ko ulit sa kanya. Sasa, here, oh. Here's the duck. Bulaga. Bulaga. Oh. Yee. Bulaga. Toink. Tatapon mo lang yan eh. Ayoko, tatapon mo lang. O, dun na. Wala na. There's the duck, baby. Inside. Sasa, bayayin mo si mami. Dali, oh. Boyoyong. Ay, ayoko na. Hindi ko na kukunin yan. No, not anymore. O, tinapon na naman niya. Tinitingnan niya. Uy. Yan. Pinakuha na naman siya. Itatapon na naman niya. Sasa. Sasa, look at mommy. Sasa. Sasa. Ah! No, I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get that, baby. I'm not gonna get that. Oops. Oh. Favorite niya talaga itapon si Duck eh.